Hello, good morning, and a warm welcome to all my dear students. Let's learn a very interesting lesson in English. Children, can you see this picture? Yes, na? This is a picture of, yes, ball, and it is a football, and the other picture is of garden. So today we will learn a lesson, Soham's ball. Soham is a boy and he was playing in a garden with his friend. Let's start the lesson. Soham and Sam are playing football. Sam kicks the ball. It goes into Mr. Mani's garden. सोहम और सैम फुटबॉल खेल रहे थे. तभी सैम ने बॉल को किक किया और वो जाकर मिस्टर माने के गार्डन में गिर गया. सैम आस्क्ड फॉर द बॉल. एक्सक्यूज मी, मे आई हैव द बॉल प्लीज? श्योर, हियर इट इज़. सैम बॉल लेने के लिए गया और रिस्पेक्टफुली मिस्टर माने को बोला, एक्सक्यूज़ मी, क्या आप मुझे बॉल दे सकते हो प्लीज़? मिस्टर माने ने बोला, येस श्योर, हियर इट इज़. सम टाइम अगेन द बॉल गोज़ इनटू मिस्टर मानेज गार्डन. सोहम और सैम वापस से खेलने लगे. तभी बॉल फिर से मिस्टर माने के गार्डन में गया. नाउ द सोहम आस्क्स फॉर द बॉल. गिव मी द बॉल. No, I won't, said मिस्टर माने. अभी सेकेंड टाइम सोहम गया मिस्टर माने से बॉल लेने के लिए और उसने बहुत रूडली बोला, गिव मी द बॉल. एंड मिस्टर माने felt bad and he said, no, I won't. Why does Mr. Mane say no? How is Soham feeling? How is Mr. Mane feeling? Now why does Mr. Mane say no to Soham? Because Soham asked in a rude way. उसने बहुत rudely पूछा था और Soham is feeling very sad because Mr. Mane has not given him ball back, and Mr. Mane is angry on the Soham because he asked in a rude way. Soham tries again. Uncle, may I have the ball please? How does Mr. Mane feel now? Now you can see, children, Soham asked in a respectful way, Uncle, may I have the ball please? So now how Mr. Mane is feeling now? He feel very good. He feel very good. Thank you, said Soham. Soham asked in a respectful way. So Mr. Mane ने सोहम को बॉल वापस दे दिया and Soham said thank you to Mr. Mane. What we have learned in this lesson, children? We have learned about the magic words. These magic words are beautiful words which we should use in our daily conversation. जब भी हम किसी से बात करते हैं उस वक्त ये मैजिक वर्ड्स को यूज़ करना चाहिए. नाउ लेट्स सी what is written over here. Can you give me the pencil? Girl is asking, and how she is asking? In a polite way. Sure, here it is. When the girl got the pencil, what she said? Thank you. And the boy is saying, welcome. And the boy is sneezing over here, so he is saying, excuse me. If we are sitting in a group with other people, so we should use this word, excuse me. Now by mistakenly the girl has put his leg on this boy's leg, so what she is saying, I am sorry. And if someone said sorry, what we should reply? It's okay. So these are the magic words we should use in a conversation. Which magic words we have learned in this lesson? please, thank you, welcome, excuse me, sorry, and it's okay. So remember these magic words. Children, take out your Bal Bharati test book, page number 10, lesson number 9, Soham's ball. Read after me. Soham and Sam are playing football. Sam kicks the ball. It goes into Mr. Mane's garden. Sam asks for the ball. Excuse me, may I have the ball, please? Sure, here it is. After some time, again the ball goes into Mr. Mane's garden. Now, Soham asks for the ball. Give me the ball. No, I won't, said Mr. Mane. Why does Mr. Mane say no? How is Soham feeling? How is Mr. Mane feeling? Soham tries again. Uncle, may I have the ball, please? How does Mr. Mane feel now? Thank you, said Soham. Dictation words. PLAYING, playing. FOOT, foot. BALL, ball, football. KICKS, kicks. GOES, goes. GARDEN, garden. EXCUSE, excuse me. PLEASE, please. AFTER, after. SURE, sure. SOMETIME, sometime. AGAIN, again. TRIES, tries. FEELING, feeling. UNCLE, uncle. THANK, thank. YOU, thank you. Fill in the blanks. Dash and dash are playing football. So answer is Soham and Sam. Second, Sam asks for the ball. After some time, again the ball goes into Mr. Mane's garden. Dash tries again. Soham tries again. Uncle, may I have the ball? Dash, please. Question answer. Answer in words. Which game do Soham and Sam are playing? Football. Second, in whose garden does the ball goes? Say children. Yes, Mr. Mane. Who went to take the ball first time from Mr. Mane's garden? Answer is Sam. Who goes first time? Sam. Question 4. Which magic words will you use? If you need a pencil, so what you will say? Please give me the pencil. When you give back pencil, thank you. Third, If someone says thank you, what will you say? Welcome. If you hurt someone, then sorry. If someone says sorry, what you will say? It's okay. Kids, do reading practice and write these notes in your English notebook and learn it. Thank you.